Hello and welcome to another update video about Bonk. In the last video, I shared with you a micro support region. Even though we didn't have a reliable or very clear wave count, the micro support region was designed to provide support for a range of different scenarios, because this is all corrective price action, okay? Different corrective structures are possible here. Direct breakouts to the upside, of course, possible, but it's difficult with that three-wave move to the upside to really come up with a reliable, let's say, clearly bullish scenario. However, short-term upside is possible anyway, and the support region here between the 50% and the 78.6 retracement between 22330, and then we've got the 198020 level. So this is the micro support region that's holding at the moment. Okay, so how can we understand this? I mean, there is one wave count which allows for the interpretation of an A, B, C structure, and the B wave consists of a W, X, Y structure, and the Y wave is an A, B, C. So it's quite complex, but the micro support region here that I shared was for some kind of a B wave pullback. Maybe for a wave 2, but the problem is that this is just a 3-wave move up, so I don't really have a clear 1-2 setup here. So as I said, there is no clearly bullish scenario. There are other coins that provide more clearly bullish scenarios where we have clearly 5-wave structures, yeah, or at least diagonals we can follow. Looking at just the micro patterns here, there isn't anything clear. Zooming out a little bit, yeah, we have a wave 1 to the upside into the May high. You know about that. We have a wave 2 to the downside. Maybe the low was in here on the 24th of June, maybe on the 5th of July, but I have no evidence for it at this stage, okay? Not at all. Other coins seem to be a bit more driven at the moment, have a bit more upside momentum, like ADA, VeChain, of course Bitcoin, you know. Bonk, I'm not sure what this is. I mean, it is not clearly bearish, yeah, considering the entire sector. I mean, I'm always saying we have to take every chart on its own, but we also cannot ignore tendencies in the entire sector. And the entire sector is short-term bullish, but I can tell you that Bonk doesn't really, it doesn't give me a convincingly bullish scenario. Yes, we had support regions, and yeah, they can be used. And as long as they're holding, we're looking for higher prices. But there's quite a bit of uncertainty when it comes to the micro patterns, okay? So it's not clearly bearish, but it's also not very clearly bullish, but I'm still looking for higher as long as we're holding above support. So the micro support area was already mentioned, and then this micro support area, however, is in the larger support region, which is, you know, in case we break below, for example, 198020, well, there's still the main support level here at the 78.6 Fib level of the rally that happened between the 13th of April and the 28th of May. And that's at 161464. So as long as we're holding that, I would focus on higher. We're now approaching the resistance area again between 270715 and 315771. But yeah, this is just, you know, immediate resistance. And I would pay attention to the possibility that this could just be a WXY structure. And as soon as we have the C wave in Y complete, it might break down, or it might at least give us a deeper pullback again. So again, there's nothing clearly bullish here. I think it's difficult at the moment. Yes, you can use the support area and everything, but don't necessarily look for precision until we have on the smaller time frame also some clarity. But I think next is here important is to watch this resistance level at 270715. Looks as if the price wants to get there. That's my update about Bonk. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.